Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Today we are going to start chapter number 9, that is work and energy. So let's start. First, there's an activity given up. Let's warm up. You have learnt about nutrients present in food. Some foods give us more energy than others as they are rich in carbohydrates and fats. They are called energy giving nutrients. Circle the food items that will give more energy. So you can see the pictures. First picture is of a chocolate which gives us lots of energy. So circle it. Then apple. Apple is rich in other nutrients but not giving us lots of energy. So we will not circle it. Then next is a bowl of rice. Rice are rich in carbohydrates giving lots of energy to us. So circle it also. Tomato, no. Butter, yes, again a source of fats which is a energy giving food. So circle butter also. Then spinach is rich in iron, not in carbohydrates or fats. So you will circle chocolate, bowl of rice and the butter. Right? Now let's read further. Work. In science, work is said to be done only if the object changes its position due to the force used on it. Now, what does it mean? It means that in science, we say only work happens only when the object also moves. For example, you are trying to push a wall with all your force. You are pushing the wall very hard, but does the wall move? No. According to you, you have done lots of work, but the wall isn't moving. So, according to science, you have done zero work. You have not done work at all, right? So, in science, we say work is done only if the object also moving on applying the force. Look at the pictures given below. Work is said to be done in picture 1 where the table moves, whereas no work is done in picture 2 where the boulder does not move. Right? The first picture, person is moving the table which is easily moving. So the work is done over here, but on the other hand, the boulder is not at all moving. So no work is done over here. Right? Next. To do work, we require energy. So, energy, how we can get energy? We can get by eating food. Now, what does this energy is? Energy is the capacity to do work. We can do work only we have energy, and that energy enables us to do work. You use different forms of energy. You might have heard about electrical energy, heat energy, chemical energy and all. But now today we are going to learn what actually these energies are. First one is electrical energy. The electrical energy run the fan, electric bulb, electric devices like a refrigerator, washing machine, iron, etc. All the electrical appliances that you use at your home are working because of the electrical energy. Next type of energy is heat energy. You know that the sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. Plants use solar energy to prepare their own food. All living things depends on green plants for their food. Hence, sun's energy is present in all living things. So, the energy of the sun is the main source of heat on the earth, and it is the main source of energy because we all eat plants. So, plants are the main, plants utilizes the sun's energy to make food, and that food is eaten by all other animals. So, this sun's energy is important for all the living beings. Solar energy is also used in solar lights, solar panels, solar cells, etc. These days, solar appliances are also becoming very famous because of the availability of the sun's energy. It is very cheap and available all the time. We can use it very easily. Heat energy is also used in electric heaters, iron, etc. So all the things which get heated up, they uses the heat energy. Next is chemical energy. energy present in food materials, it is in the form of chemical energy. A dry cell that is used in torch also has chemical energy stored in it, right? The energy that we get from the chemicals, the food that we eat, it also has some chemicals. Dry cells, the dry cells are the cells that we use in a remote, in a clock, in your watches. These all are the types of the dry cells. So these all store some chemical in it, which is converted into chemical energy. Lighting a matchstick and cooking involve chemical energy as well as heat energy, right?